Good afternoon, everybody. Let's know about some basic grammar in English. Our theme is punctuation mark. They include full stop, comma, question mark, capital letters, exclamation mark. Shall we start, buddies?
Yes.
Hey, full stop, come.
Hello, this is full stop. Use me after the ending of the sentence which expressions are completing thought or ideas. For example, these are children. Don't go outside. Hi, I am comma. Use me to separate more than two words or sentences. For example, Raju, Lata and Mohan were good friends.
Hello, this is question mark. Use me at the end of the question. The sentences ask for information. Some examples are: where are you going? Is there an hospital nearby?
Hi, I'm capital letters. Use me in the beginning of the sentence. Persons, places, rivers, mountains, months, days of the week. For example, Ravi is going to Bengaluru. Sunday is a holiday. Hello, this is exclamatory marks. The sentences are bold, show strong feeling and emotions. Some examples. Wow, what a beautiful house. Oh, thank God. Thank you for watching that. Please do like, share and subscribe.